Curious about what makes something mysterious? Let's unlock the meaning of this fascinating word together. The word mysterious, pronounced mysterious, is an adjective. It describes something that is strange, difficult to understand, or full of secrets. Imagine a locked treasure chest hidden deep in the forest, its contents unknown and puzzling. That's mysterious. When we say something is mysterious, we mean it arouses curiosity because it's not clear or easy to explain. For example, there was a mysterious noise coming from the attic last night. You don't know what caused it, so it feels secret and puzzling. Now, let's look at some synonyms, words that mean almost the same as mysterious. You could also say enigmatic, enigmatic meaning puzzling or hard to understand. Example, her smile was enigmatic, leaving everyone guessing her thoughts. Cryptic, cryptic meaning having a hidden or unclear meaning. Example, he left a cryptic message that nobody could decode. Unfathomable, unfathomable meaning impossible to understand or measure. Example, the depths of the ocean are unfathomable. On the other hand, antonyms are words with opposite meanings to mysterious. These include clear, something easy to see, understand, or explain. Example, the instructions were clear and simple. Obvious, something that is easily noticed or understood. Example, it was obvious she was nervous before the exam. Here are a couple of simple example sentences to show how you can use mysterious in everyday English. The old house at the end of the street looks mysterious, especially at night. She has a mysterious way of knowing things before they happen. Mysterious things keep life interesting because they invite us to explore and learn more. So, the next time you hear the word mysterious, remember it means something secret, puzzling, or hard to explain. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive and watch your English grow smarter every day.